Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block pages in Facebook. So if you want to prevent pages from interacting with your post, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and then select your profile icon in the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select Settings and Privacy. Select the Settings gear button, and then underneath Most Visited Settings, select the Blocking button. And now underneath Blocking, go down to Block Pages. Once you block a page, the page can no longer interact with your post or like or reply to your comments. You'll be unable to post to the page's timeline or message the page. If you currently like the page, blocking it will also unlike and unfollow it. Select Edit. At this point, you can select Add to Blocked List. And then at this point, go ahead and search for a page so you follow or don't follow, perhaps. And then once you're done with that, you just would select the Block button, and then it would add to your block list. So let me just search for Facebook here. And we're going to go ahead and just block Facebook Gaming, for example. It should be blocked, and if you go back, you can select see your block list, and you can unblock them if you so choose later. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.